Hey guys, I'm Lawless, and today I'm going to share with you guys my tips and tricks for how to create the perfect pigtails. We're going to start step 1, directing the roots. I like to start this way because when I go to do the pigtails, I have to do a lot less fighting the roots when I'm brushing the hair up into the position. So I always start by just doing this first. I'm going to blow dry the roots upward. Step 3 is we want to make the hair as manageable as possible. So we are going to just give it a little light spray. Then we're going to brush that through, make sure that all of our tangles are out. The ends are a little extra tangly, so I'm going to put in a little more. Cool. Step 4. Oh yeah, gotta block your face. Create a center part. That is what we want, a really sharp tip. So we're going to pull all the hair back. I'm going to try to line up our parting with the nose. Define it with our tail comb. Straighten that out. Cool, that's good. I'm going to want to go all the way to the back. Hairspray. This stuff is awesome. Color Wild Cult favorite. See how this root's popping up a little bit? We want to get this to lay a little flatter. We're just going to give the roots a little spray down the middle. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take some more silver clips and our brush, and we're going to brush our root back and set it while we're working on the other side. These won't be here long, so you don't have to worry about creases or crimps or anything. So now we're going to take one side of the hair and find the perfect spot without using a brush yet. We don't really need to do that yet because we're just going to find where we're going to put this. And I think what's really cool is right above the ear and behind. So this way it can fall behind the shoulder or in front and still have a really cute silhouette to it. Now we're going to take our hairspray and spray our roots and start working with a brush, working this into a clean pony. And you want to be really, really generous with this. You don't be shy with the spray. And you want to get it while it's still wet. You don't want to let the hairspray dry in. So when you're getting the back, I like to step around to the front side of the head and pull the hair toward you. It's much easier than trying to stand behind the head and brush the hair straight up. This is just, I feel like, a little more natural with the body position. And what we're gonna do is take our spray, and once we have most of it out, we're gonna do it again. Once we feel like we have most of those lumps out, then we're gonna start getting the hair into its final position. When we do this back part, tilt the head this way and back, and pull the hair up. That way it's really, really clean. When she puts her head down, it gets tightened up. So we're going to do it again because we've still got some bubbles in there and she's got tons of length here. And that is a super clean pigtail. Then we're going to keep working the front with more spray, just layering it on as we get cleaner and cleaner. Thank you, lovely assistant. I want that really nice clean shine. Now we're going to cut all the remains off. They're a little uneven, right? We're going to spray our brush and lay down the lumps, lump laying. And if we see any gaps, we always take our tail comb and pull that through, kind of even them out a little bit. So we're going to take 2 small rubber bands, clear, just like this. And that is going to lift our pigtail just a little higher. So now we're going to take our bottom section and we're going to take our spray and saturate the heck out of that first layer. I mean, soak it to death. And that should smooth it out as you lay it down, getting thicker toward the base. You should use so much spray, it scares you. So we're going to do the same thing again, same direction, just create a nice clean ribbon of hair. Then we're going to take sections from underneath and we're going to over curl in the beginning. And then what we'll do is chill it out. The ends are so important.